Focus Asia, your first window to discover Asia. How's your day, listener? You are listening to Focus Asia with me, Calvina. The first news will be from Kazakhstan. The Indonesian Embassy in Astana organized a Batik Collaboration Workshop in the Indonesian Cultural Center in Astana on the 29th of October 2023. This activity was held in commemoration of the 30 years of diplomatic relations between Indonesia and Kazakhstan to illustrate the close ties between the two countries through the cultural heritage of Indonesia expressed in batik artwork. It is one of the ways to enhance diplomatic relations between Indonesia and Kazakhstan through culture, and batik is a cultural icon widely recognized in various countries and designated as intangible cultural heritage by UNESCO on October 2, 2009. Dr. M. Fajrul Rahman, the Indonesian ambassador to Kazakhstan and Tajikistan, emphasized the significance of the event for the friendship between the two nations. Ms. Debbie Rahmayanti, the batik class instructor, is optimistic that batik can be a tool for Indonesian cultural diplomacy in Kazakhstan.